just been doing some brush trimming, and we got this big pile that we want to go put in our dump site back in the woods. AJ's been helping trim the trees with his chainsaw. So we got this big pile here. We're gonna tie it up with the rope, right? And then we're gonna attach it to the tractor, and we're gonna tow it back to our dump site. That gray tractor, right? Here's our rope right here. So we're gonna tie it around. We'll put both our chainsaws right here. Okay, that sounds good. I'll go grab mine. All right, look out of the way. There's the two Stihl chainsaws. AJ's and Daddy's. You gotta be careful with this one, look. There you go. What do you think? You gonna fire it up? What do you say? You want to get this brush pile tied up? We're gonna tie this up. If I feed this rope under to you, will you take it? I'm gonna go underneath. And I'm gonna tighten it down like this. And I'm gonna go under here. It's gonna come underneath. Right, the pile's all tied up. You wanna help me carry it to the tractor? Let's go. Here's the rope right here. We're gonna tow it to the tractor with our hands. You wanna help me? Okay, ready? Getting our tractor all ready. The old trusty Craftsman. We're gonna tie this up here. All right, we're gonna see how this works. We got it tied off on the tractor. Okay, here we go, bud. You got your chainsaw down there. So now, here we go. how you cut it. Hold on to this handle right here. Got the chain break. There you go. See how you use that saw. Big fallen tree, isn't it? See how the stump came right out of the ground? It's pretty big. You want to come check it out on the other side? See if you can get over it. Job. She's coming in here too. Look at where the stump was in the ground. See how it just got completely uprooted. You see anything on here? Are there any bugs down here? Step. You okay? A little spider web. That's awesome. Careful, careful, careful. Yep, we are far away from the tractor. Because this is where you were walking. Another tree. Bless you, bless you. stuck? Get your one foot up here. And lift yourself up. There you go. And we can walk right back this way. Back to the tractor. Be gentle with that branch, buddy. There's lots of dead trees around here. I don't want anything to fall. Yes. Come over this way. Tractor's right up there. Back at the tractor. And there's the leaf dump right there. Alright, we finally got the leaves dumped after a little bushwhacking detour in our big leaf pile. AJ's trying to get the tractor started. He's got his chainsaw back on the tractor. I got the rope right here. So we'll head back to the house. See what's going on down there. Thanks for joining us today.